Welcome to the final demos of PennApps. We really hope you all have enjoyed this year's new format, and thank you for coming out and hacking every year with us. We really appreciate you.
We hope you guys have had a great time, learned a lot, and maybe met someone new. We have a long list of people to thank for making this incredible event possible. We'll start with all the amazing sponsors and partners of PennApps. These companies help provide swag, side events, and the APIs to work with. Without their continued support, PennApps wouldn't be possible.
We also want to thank Penn Engineering and MLH for their continued support and guidance, especially as we navigated through building this hybrid event. Special shout outs to Ryan Hampton, Dean Kumar, Kim Marker, and Penn Engineering, and from MLH, Jack and JP. Next, let's thank the organizers. We want to thank all of our amazing team, including our organizers, judges, and mentors.
Now our first round judges have finished narrowing down the submissions to the top 3 to demo here today. These first round judges are drawn from Penn professors, Penn alumni, and sponsors.
First up, we have Shashank Agarwal. Shashank is the CTO at ActiveLoop.
Next up, we have Professor Simon Kogan. He's a visiting finance faculty at MIT Sloan School of Management and a permanent faculty at IDC.
Next, we have Ivan Besarab. Ivan is an iOS team lead at Init Inc., who's a friend of PennApps all the way from Ukraine.
And finally, we have Matthew Lee. Matthew is a Hillman Scholar for Nursing Innovation and a Penn alum. He's a co-founder and creative director at AFK Studios. Our hackers are judged on 3 main criteria. The first is technical difficulty. Is the hack technically interesting or difficult? Is it just an addendum to an API? Or were there real technical challenges to surmount? This is the most important criterion that your hack will be judged upon for the general prizes.
The second is originality. Is the hack more than just another generic social, mobile, or local app? Does it do something entirely novel, or at least take a fresh approach to an old problem?
And the final criteria is functionality. Is a hack a functional working project rather than just an idea?
So first, we're going to go through our sponsored routes and prizes. First, we have the best financial hack by Capital One. The winning team members will be awarded $250 in Amazon gift cards. Our winner is Cash.
Next, we have Peter from ACV to present their prize, Best Rethink Automotive Hack by ACV.
Sorry about that. Thank you, everyone, for a super productive and powerful weekend. Hackathons are about connections and exploring ideas. They're typically not about what is built, but it was impressive to see what was actually built and produced. And so we were very excited to kind of focus on 2 projects. HoloNet, which had kind of a very cool IoT sensor-based approach to detecting natural disasters. So love the blending of real world, online, offline. With Automotive, whether you're a first responder and you have to head towards a wildfire, or you're a family trying to get out. There was good crossover, also a potential where vehicles themselves might become nodes in the network and have the sensors in the vehicles. And so we really liked that. Where at ACV, we do blue collar big data and deal with the real world, and a lot of awesome devices and sensors. So we appreciated that project and their focus. Cash was around kind of blending savings opportunities into people's everyday lives. Although today a lot of people have their identity in their phone, a car is an important thing that people work for and work hard to achieve. And it also is helpful in terms of accessibility to be able to go to the job, that you might be able to get some savings and upgrade some sweet new wheels. So we really appreciated the focus of those 2 projects. And are just happy to support this community. We've got internships, and in a couple of years, we will have APIs to play with. So appreciate this chance to build the relationship, and we're around all year. My email can be shared if anybody wants to geek out on the future of mobility. And there's also kind of an upcycling. We're trying to get more value from high carbon assets in automobiles. So we're working on a lot of cool stuff and really appreciate the chance to participate. So don't be a stranger, and we'll be back and connected to Penn and this community outside of just this hackathon. So we'd love to stay in touch. Thanks.
Thanks, Peter. We really appreciate ACB being here with us this weekend. Next, we have the best use of IPFS and or Filecoin.
Hello, I'm Discording from Protocol Labs, and I hope everyone had a wonderful time at the PennApps Hackathon. I personally enjoyed the dungeon inside the Gather.town space. Very cool. Congratulations to our winners Spot Zoo, a decentralized way to avoid animal attacks, and Lex Aeterna, a decentralized service for governments to help make local laws more accessible for people. I hope to see those interested in our tech involved in our communities in the future, where we have lots of learning and hacking opportunities. Please check out the links in the bottom right of the slide if you're interested in our community and grants programs. I hope everyone had a great time, and I hope to see you all around in the future.
Next, we'll have Jack from MLH announce the winners of their routes.
Hey folks, how are you all doing? I hope you had an amazing PennApps this weekend. I know I did. I was up nice and early to judge your projects, and I was blown away by the quality. It was really, really impressive. I have absolutely no idea what order the slides are on here, so I guess we'll press next slide and see what happens if we have MLH ones on there. If not, first up we have best use of Twilio, or most creative use of Twilio. And the winner here was HoloNet. This was a really, really cool project. It was an IoT-based network and newsletter to alert people about natural disasters, including earthquakes and wildfires, via SMS and emails. It was like a really, really cool use of Twilio. So a big congratulations to everyone on that team. You definitely deserve this prize. Next up, if we're in the same order, I sent them domain.com, and they are. And the winner was Splat, which was a really cool game where you could dodge cannonballs and barrels with your head. Or you could just kind of cut them off. It was AR based. It was really cool. And they registered a really cool .tech domain, splatballs.tech. So great. Great job, team. Huge congratulations. Next up is, of course, the one and only best web monetization project by Coil. If you haven't used it before, Coil makes it easy to go and monetize your projects without having to need to include ads and all of that kind of stuff. If you've not already tried it, I really recommend you do. And our winner was Petsy. It was a way of getting animals off the street and into your heart one swipe at a time, and they monetized it through Coil, so well done. It's the first time I've seen Coil at a hackathon, and you managed to successfully implement it. Really, really cool. And finally, we had best use of Google Cloud. The winner was New Research, which is a modernized way to keep on top of industry trends and research in your area. They built so much. Used Fast API, Google Cloud SQL, React. They hooked into like an RSS feed even. So it was a really, really cool project. Super impressed with all of you. Congratulations to our 4 winners. Don't worry about getting me your address or anything. We already got it. And we'll send you an email with details with your prize as soon as we have them. If you enjoyed PennApps this weekend, don't forget to head over to mlh.io to see more events just like this. There's a hackathon every single weekend over the next semester, so definitely go and take a look. And there's more going on as the season goes onwards. So thank you so much for having us, PennApps. It's been an absolute pleasure. And happy hacking, everyone.
Amazing. Thanks so much, Jack. And so any sponsor prizes are not announced just now will be announced later on the Discord, so please keep an eye out for that.
So next up, we have PennApps prizes. First up is Best Sustainability Hack. Each winner will receive a Keurig K-Slim coffee maker. Our winner is Sound of Sustainability. Next slide. For Best Entertainment Hack, each winner will receive a mini video projector, and our winner is Splat. For Best Humor Hack, each winner will receive a Fujifilm camera and film pack, and our winner is Pleiades. For Best Health Hack, each winner will receive a Ninja Personal Blender, and our winner is MedBlock. For Best Social Good Hack, each winner will receive 2 Hugo AI smart LED color lamps, and our winner is Braybird. For Best Education Hack, each winner will receive their choice of 2 AirTags or Tile Essentials pack, and our winner is our scheduler. For Best Blockchain Hack, each winner will receive a Logitech wireless gaming keyboard, and our winner is Lex Aeterna. For Best UI UX Hack, each winner will receive a 3D printing pen and filament, and our winner is Book Recommender.
Now that judging is finished, we wanted to announce our top 9 winners in no particular order. Although we originally planned to give out top 10 prizes, we actually got a cheating case and unfortunately had to disqualify one of the teams. Just a reminder that when we say we check for cheating, we really do. Well, anyways, on to what you've actually been waiting for. We'll move on to the actual top 9, in which each of the winning team members will receive a portable Bluetooth speaker. First up, we have Pup Track.
Hello.
Next, we have Brayburn, Swatsu, our scheduler,
Hi there.
Append, Decarbonate, Lex Aeterna, Health Connect, and finally, Sound of Sustainability.
So now we're on to the final demos. Each of these top 3 teams was carefully selected by our judging panels. We have their submissions, so we'll explain each prize and then we'll play each demo video for you all. Before we announce our top 3 winners, though, I first want to say thank you to our awesome final round judges who have just made the hardest decision of the entire weekend. So without further ado, let's move on to third place. Each member of the third place winning team will receive a $100 Amazon gift card, a Linode Raspberry Pi, and their choice between a Fitbit Charge 4 or a UE Boom 3 Bluetooth speaker. Our third place winner is Brayburn.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
I'm Sharon.
And I'm David, and we are very tired.
We are all seniors at Penn, and we created a web app called Brayburn. The goal of Brayburn is to act as a tool to benefit individuals who are colorblind by helping to make public images more accessible. The world relies heavily on visual media such as posters, graphics, and charts to share important information with the public, but not much thought is always put into the accessibility of these graphics.
Our web app analyzes images uploaded by users and identifies color combinations that are hard to distinguish with colorblind vision. And our web app offers different color suggestions to replace them. As you can see here, red and green is a common color blindness combination, and the name of our website comes from this color blindness test that was come for the past with Brayburn apples and Green Granny Smith apples that were used to test whether people are colorblind. To use our web app, you first upload the image you want to test here and click Upload.
After it's done loading, you can see the results on this page. The left-hand side shows an example of what the image might look like through the most common type of colorblind vision as a comparison against the original. On the right, we list the top most inaccessible color pairs found in your image and provide suggestions to replace them or to use to create a colorblind-friendly version of your image. For the implementation, we use Django, HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the front end, and Python in the back end. We used several APIs, including the Google Cloud Vision API, which helped us detect what colors were present in the image, and applied several different computer vision techniques, like image segmentation and Daltonizers. More details can be found on our dev post. Thanks for watching.
Well, a big congrats to our third place team. Now we'll move on to second place. Each member of the second place winning team will receive a $100 Amazon gift card, a line of Raspberry Pi, and their choice between a 27-inch gaming monitor or Apple AirPods Pro. And our second place is PupTrack. Let's watch their video.
Hello, my name is Avanish.
Hi, my name is Afiq.
Hi,
And we're here to present PupTrack. So PupTrack solves a major problem of pet care. So meet Pluto. So Pluto's a good puppy, he's a good boy, but one of his problems is when we're gone, he often likes to escape his pen. And he sometimes gets a little agitated, so he starts barking, and it can be a problem while we're not away from home, and we want to know if something's happening. So why don't we just use a security cam to watch him? Well, the problem is if we check the security cam every hour, number one, that's annoying, but number two, if something happens, we'll only know an hour later. And we have to continually check to see what's going on, and we miss a lot of stuff. So if he starts barking all of a sudden, we wouldn't know it's a normal security camera. So how do we fix this? So we designed an application called PupTrack, which is pretty simple. We have a basic web dashboard, which shows you the camera feed, highlights your dog, and gives you some basic stats about your dog. So it tells you whether he's in the frame or if he's escaped, if he's chilling or he's agitated, and if he's awake or if he's sleeping. Now, our tracker uses a pretty notification-centric design, so we send you an SMS whenever one of these items changes. So if he suddenly starts barking, we send you a notification. If he goes to sleep, we send you a notification. And if he, let's say, escapes his pen, we send you a notification. You can go get your, let's say, neighbor to go check on it. Okay, so let's log in. So you can see my dog here. He has not escaped, he's chilling, and he's awake. So if I play some dog barking noises, it'll say he's agitated. And now that it says he's agitated, I got a text message saying he's agitated and he's barking a lot. So now that works. And if I remove him from his seat, so if I, sorry baby, come on. Good boy. Here. Okay, so I remove him from his seat. In about 15 seconds, the status should change to say that he has escaped. So we're going to wait for the notification here. And there you go. Urgent, I don't see your pet. Maybe they escaped.
Congratulations to PupTrack. So now for first place, each member of the first place winning team will receive a $100 Amazon gift card, exclusive HRT swag, a line-owned Raspberry Pi, and a choice between a Nintendo Switch or an Apple Watch SE with cellular and Tri-Bit Stormbox Bluetooth speaker. Our first place winner is Health Connect. Let's watch their demo video.
Hello, Mr. Gersich. Hopefully you're ready for your appointment today. I just have a few pieces of paper I'm going to need you to fill out before we begin.
Thank you, Dr. Elfstead. I'll get working on these right away for you. Why do I have to fill out the same paperwork every time I come see the doctor? I mean, this information rarely changes. Come on, date of birth, family medical history, this is ridiculous. Isn't there some way that I could avoid this hassle? Enter Health Connect. Health Connect is a convenient way to store this information so you don't need to fill out the same paperwork at the doctor's office every visit. With a few clicks on my phone, I can send this information directly to my doctor. Talk about easy.
Additionally, a system like Health Connect could provide researchers with easy access to medical data, which is often very difficult and expensive to get a hold of. What happened?
Long story.
When a user opens our app, they're prompted to create a password, which we'll use every time to log in to get access to our home screen. From here, we can enter our medical information. From here, we're taken to the home screen, which is what we would see every time we open the app. We can scan a QR code to share information with a doctor, And we'll also get a pop-up saying that we're eligible to participate in a research study. I'll let Raghav talk a little bit more about how we connect researchers and subjects through our app.
Our goal is to protect the security of user health data at all stages, even after a researcher has done their analysis. Oftentimes, a reconstruction attack can lead to participant de-anonymization using only a trained model. Only some of your data is de-anonymizing though, and it is helpful to think of sensitivity as a spectrum. Our ML executor helps researchers streamline their architecture and hyperparameter searches, and uses advanced differential privacy techniques to train models. The executor also provides animations for visual debugging.
Our application is based on a scalable microservice architecture. A doctor connector is responsible for the end-to-end encrypted communication and transfer of data between patients and doctors, and a machine learning connector is responsible for gathering private information and preserving that privacy during the machine learning process for research studies.
First of all, everyone goes to the doctor's office for physicals. As a result, everyone can benefit from the convenience of Health Connect. People who have other health conditions like myself that need to visit the doctor's office frequently would benefit even more. And come on, who would turn down convenience? Additionally, Health Connect places emphasis on privacy. Medical data is secure and protected.
Ease that Health Connect provides researchers when searching for subjects of specific criteria could lead to society-transforming health discoveries. In the near future, we hope to expand Health Connect's versatility to integrate with other doctor-patient management systems, as well as provide a way for subjects of for-profit organization studies to receive compensation for their data.
A huge congrats once again to our first place team, Health Connect, for their amazing work this weekend. And just some final announcements. Everyone who checked in this weekend will get swag shipped to them. We will not be sending individualized swag tracking details, but be on the lookout for something in your mailbox. If for any reason your shipping details have changed or you didn't check in, please make sure to message Jason Hom or Anna Chat on Discord. And also prize winners, please make sure that all your team members are listed on your dev post so you know who to send prizes to. Your prizes will be shipped to you in the coming weeks very soon. Thank you all for coming, and we look forward to seeing you next year. Thank you.